Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a new compound, that is benzyl chloride. Now, what is the structure for this benzyl chloride? You already know that this is a compound which is called as benzene. Yes, this is benzene. That is the first aromatic compound. Now, whenever one of the substitution of this or one of the hydrogen get substituted by another atom or group, then that is called as a phenyl group. So it becomes a phenyl group. First it is a benzene where each carbon carries one double bond and one hydrogen atom also. But whenever one of the hydrogen atom get substituted by another atom or group, that is called as a phenyl group. Now, when that substitution of a phenyl group get satisfied by CH2, then this is called as this frame is called as a benzene. And when this valency gets satisfied by chlorine Cl, then it becomes a benzyl chloride. So today our target molecule is this one, that is called as a benzyl chloride. So don't get confused with this name benzyl. Benzyl is a group, that is phenyl ring with CH2 and with chloride, so it becomes benzyl chloride. So as per our general rule or as per our general schedule, what we generally do, we first prepare that benzyl chloride by various methods and then we carried out various chemical reactions that are possible with benzyl chloride. So first we will discuss the method of preparation for benzene. Now many methods of preparations are there for preparation of benzyl chloride. So we will start with the compound toluene. Do you remember what is toluene? Yes, toluene is a compound which is also called as methyl benzene, means benzene ring is there and substitution is of CH3. So this is a methyl benzene, or specifically it is called as a toluene. So we will start preparation of benzyl chloride with reactant that is called as a toluene. Now this toluene can be converted into benzyl chloride by two methods. So very first method, when we do simple chlorination of this. So whenever toluene undergoes chlorination in presence of course sunlight, or when we heat this compound, so free radical mechanism takes place here. Here the substitution takes place where one of the H from this CH3 gets substituted by Cl and we get the molecule what we want is a benzyl chloride and HCl get removed here. So this is a first method of preparation for benzyl chloride from toluene. In second method of preparation, again we are using same reactant, that is toluene, but now here it reacts with sulfuryl chloride. What is the sulfuryl chloride? It is SO2Cl2. Again, don't get confused because in last semester we used this compound. What is this? It is SOCl2. SOCl2 is totally different from SO2Cl2. SO2Cl2 is a sulfuryl chloride, but SOCl2 is called as a thionyl chloride. We are not using this thionyl chloride, we are using sulfuryl chloride. So toluene, when react with this sulfuryl chloride in presence of dibenzoyl peroxide, again substitution takes place and we get the expected product, that is CH2Cl with benzene ring, which is called as a benzyl chloride. At the same time SO2 means sulfur dioxide, it is in a gaseous state, get evolved and HCl is also removed here. So these are the two methods of preparations of benzyl chloride by using same reactant, but here we are using different media. Okay. So next one, is now a reactant is different. In second case, we are taking the compound which is called as a benzyl chloride. Again, this is a phenyl ring. CH2 is attached here, so it becomes benzyl and OH. So it becomes a benzyl alcohol. So benzyl alcohol undergoes chlorination. Now which chlorinating reagent we use? Yes, we use PCl5 or PCl3 or SOCl2. Now for example, we are taking the PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride. This react, and here one of the OH get substituted by Cl. So we get again the molecule, that is benzyl chloride, and POCl3, that is phosphoryl chloride, get removed, and HCl also get removed here. So this is the second method of preparation for benzyl chloride, and the third one is from very basic compound, that is from benzene. So here we are taking benzene. This benzene reacts with formaldehyde. Aldehyde means C double bond OH group, and this is the very first member of aldehyde. So this benzene reacts with formaldehyde and hydrogen chloride. When these three contain passed over the hot zinc chloride solution, what we get? We get again benzyl chloride, and H2O get removed here. So this is the third method of preparation for benzyl chloride. So students, we again revise all three methods of preparation for benzyl chloride. First, we are using the reactant, that is toluene. We convert toluene to benzyl chloride by two methods. In first method, toluene reacts with chlorine, or simple chlorination takes place, and we get benzyl chloride. And when toluene react with sulfuryl chloride in presence of dibenzoyl peroxide, we also get benzyl chloride. That is the first method of preparation, or when we are using reactant toluene. In second case, we are using benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, and we get benzyl chloride. That is the second method of preparation. And the third one is from benzene. So benzene reacts with formaldehyde and hydrogen chloride. When all these content passed over the hot zinc chloride, then it get converted to benzyl chloride. So this is all about the method of formation of benzyl chloride. In the next video, we will discuss the chemical reactions carried out by this benzyl chloride. So thank you.